Hello guys, this is our Dev. I am going to show you how to receive a USDT TRC20 into your Binance account, especially for people who are using prop firms. You first select your Binance app to open it. You will see that this dashboard after opening it, and then you navigate to assets by the bottom, and then you see add funds. You select add funds. After selecting add funds, you select deposit crypto, since we are depositing crypto. And after that, you search for USDT because we're using a USDT coin. After selecting it, we are going to select TR20, since we are using TR20 to receive this cryptocurrency. Then you copy your address to paste it on the sender platform. It's either your prop firm account or whatsoever. Thank you for watching. Do leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come.